Jason says this: Babel is equals pyramid of confusion. The interesting Slavic, so when you know the languages that the Babel confused, right? God confused the languages. So interesting Slavic language is Yazik. Let's check it again. I don't know why Hungarians say like this. Czech, Yazik. Russian, Yazik, same.
Язик.
Yazik,
Язик.
Yazik, but they write Yazik, because this is a Ya letter in Slavic. So similar to Yaksaka, which Jason calls that the gate of Yaksaka, the Giza pyramid, which is escape from the simulacrum. Probably connects to Enki, who before the Giza was started and was masterminded and projected by Enki. Enki, before 4 years before the Giza pyramid started to be built, went up to heaven. Gate of Yaksaka calls the Giza, so gates of God's gate, and interesting. But the közelítés nincsen so, I don't know, Yaksaka is the Giza word in fact. But Yaksaka similar to Yazik in Slavic, no? And so now Babel is really the Giza or what? In not case exactly that the Babel is the Giza, but also that the Babel wanted to be a pyramid which was not finished. But not even the Giza is finished if he takes the sources that you say that the cornerstone is missing. Was rejected by builders or something. I don't know what is the idea with that, whatever. Or escape, I said in Hungarian szökés. És is a suffix. Szök, And the Jason said that Giza is the gate of Yaksaka. And he said escape from simulacrum also. So Hungarian seems like escape. The Slavic is a language, but the language is the Babel. Now, Giza was igaz is true. Oh.
Kinyitom már nem fogadom hívás, bélban eljöttem el, nem tudom. Így elfogadom.
Tegnap hívtam Ásra.
Igen.
Azután.
De hát fogadtam, beszélgettünk.
Igen.
Akkor miért írok, hogy nem?
Hát mutasson, csak fogadj, meg kéne nézni, hogy fogadott a középpontban. Én sem tudom megnézni magam. Csak mutasson, azt találja. Én hívtam utoljára, nem német, azt nézem. Nem tudja megnézni, mikor hívtam át, azt már elvitott velem.
Érzsit én kerestem, de hamar letudtam, hogy nőni. Délva, mondtam, nézd meg, akkor mutasson meg. Még gondoltam, nem tud idejönni.
Nem hívtam.
Van is.
And even it's crazy, probably a little bit, because escape, szökés, szökő, and AP, Romania is vatte, so I don't know, escaping the flood. Jason even said something that Giza was built to survive the flood. And here, again, if there are similarities, that these things can be similar, these big things, like Babel and Giza. But what if the Giza, in fact, it codifies the Noah story? Building a ship or something that is escaped, Serap is water in Romania, water dams make electricity interesting. So watts, Angkor watts. But as I heard, I guess that the pyramids are some electrical they know something, they're not in that form. It's just a theater, that Giza. The oldest pyramids. There's no real shit, there's a copy code, cargo code. In English is up, right? Up is not up. Again, some going up. Nimrod name can be Nimrod dormi and sleepy in Latin. So again, some building or some engine or construction or which is latent, which means something which later enters in action, like sleepy, standby, how to say, like on your TV, the standby button, or how to say. So, and Romania say for stuttering, those who cannot speak normally. I guess he stutter, he said in English. Like fucking hams. In Hungarian said makug. Come on. In Hungarian said makug. For stuttering. Droog niet, roep je het. It's not this is come on man. Let's go with English then. Buurbeheers. Romania zei voor stadteersen. Stadteers, I guess it's something like, makkoek, dat wordt toog, like, this is not the normal flow. This is a speaking problem. In Romania say buurbeheer, which is similar to barber name. No? Romania say for stuttering, buurbeheer, speaking problem, confused or something, Like the barber was craziness, Hungarians, for language woorden. We still burning, because Jason also said that, yeah, one of a variant of pyramid explanation in Latin, he says in Latin and Greek, but he said that it comes from some Arabic word. Right, maybe I'll later observe it, that also something. So in Latin, he says, and the Greek is pyramid means a burning in the middle. Pyro, burning. We have intentions for in fact, the English fire word also. But the Hungarian language flame. So it's still about burning or what I have this photo, I found it somewhere, which interestingly like some sun shadowed or some black planet, Nibiru, Boru, Nero, black, Nereletes, Italian, Boru, Hungarian, cloudy. Interesting is the top of Giza, so I must make a video with it just because of this picture, Because Hungarian lang is flame and age, language, or age. If I read backwards, because the English anyway says for all letters, they not say for all letter A, but they say A, age, whatever. So in Hungarian, ege, so ege, not age, ege, sky or birds again. So if I go further, I'll put up the idea that the eras, ages, are in fact periods between two burnings. Right? And also some, I don't know, confusion of languages was some and recept, and I don't know. Plus, interesting, this confusion of woorden. The confused means mess it up and fuck it up, and in English today. But konen, the root word konen, is like a council or a community or like which means something together, right? And fusion also means like that. And also in Hungarian means when two institutes fusion means they unite. Come on, man. Union. Look, integrating into something else. So they became one. And just it is literally means unite, uno. They became one. Melting together or melting in, you know. So how the fuck the confusion means separation of languages. The kone means together, let's say. And fusion also means to go there together, how to say, unite. It's about confusion of languages, so uniting the languages. Unificating. So the Babel story probably was not confusion of languages, but uniting of languages. Interesting Hungarian for unite also says like the uno, unite, uno in Latin, one, one in English also, and Hungarian for the uniting, you say like that here. But Hungarian means one. Interesting again means burning. So it's about again burning or languages or what the heck, you know. Sky or burning. Want the sky has the sky has the secretaries which opis the jaksaka. It's the language sky. I don't know. Confusion means uniting. So one language or more languages, so what is it? Assimilation also. It means you assimilate another people who became like you, so not separated. You know? I don't know what I is. Right, I just wanted this. What is the difference between Giza? Giza started, and Jason I get put that here, the building of Giza. And when the first appearance of Dark Satellite, so interesting. Again, some dark thing again enters the picture, because even Nimrod's name is Sleepy, so the Dark Satellite is a Sleepy Latin something. Even once Jason said that the Dark Satellite must be activated together with the help of humanity, or something, I don't know exactly how you say it. 1,000 years approximately. Plus you have the 4 years when Enki went to heaven. Look what interesting number. 10 plus 10. 1 plus 1 or 1, you know. But 1 in Hungarian age, like Egi. They know something to 1. But the Giza is finished in this year. So with that, this number also interesting. Like the 9 and 6 is like as above, so below. Because, you know, they look the same, but upside down. Plus reverted. Interesting, the first Hungarian born on this date, which is interesting number again, you know, was called Almos, which means literally sleepy Hungarian. The Hungarian Chronicle say something that Nimrod was the first king of Hungarian. So now Nimrod or Almos, you know, the sleepy name, and the black face, black cars and shit, you know. This year's past, this year, 1880 is the number of bricks in Giza pyramid, or Jason. And the chronological line, Manus Mundi to Giza is finished after this year's. Look, you know, I went now between Hungarian, first Hungarian born, the date can be 9 also, like I said, 70, 80, or 9. Starting of building of Giza, Dark Satellite also, the guy is blackface, black cars, almost, or Sleepy, or Umlash Collapse can be his name also, or Amos washes away. There's also that difference, you know. But between Giza and the finishing is this year. A little bit similar to this number, you know, 818, 9, 1, not 9, but 6. The opposite, reverted. Interesting, anyhow. So why, and here is close to Jason, Hier in de aftakers, the Babylon city of Nimrod was excavated. 3 years later is Phoenix. If the first Hungarian board, let's say, goes to this number, which is Giza finished and Anus Mundi started, which also was reset. Jason said Adami reset, is this year. An interesting this number is also Noah, is also HD. Jason not mixing in 1008. What the heck is this number? Alright, but here again smells like the first Hungarian leader, the same with Nimrod. Somehow. Building of Giza, Amos is the first leader, the sleepy, but the first king's father is Geza, like Giza name. The first king has the Stepan name, Stefane. The Seti dark Hungarian pan reverted no son, dark son, you know? These things are the same, man. Somehow. Alright, that's it now.